We currently find ourselves in an era of profound transformation, as predicted by various spiritual teachers, including Dolores Cannon. The world is experiencing a significant shift, breaking free from the confines of an outdated paradigm, rooted in fear and embracing a new era of peace and harmony, guided by universal principles. Over the years, our planet has been gradually realigning with the natural order of the cosmos. At this pivotal moment, we stand on the verge of an extraordinary era marked by an unprecedented influx of luminous energy from the great central sun. This golden light serves to activate essential codes necessary for the emergence of a new Earth characterized by tranquility, balance, and the pure expression of divine love. In this forthcoming age of peace, our lives will no longer be dictated solely by the passage of time or the pursuit of material wealth. Instead, we will be guided by the harmonious flow of the universe. However, it's important to recognize that not everyone will smoothly transition into this new reality. Only those souls resonating with love and compassion at the deepest level will pass through the veils separating the old earth from the new. This threshold acts as a discerning barrier, allowing only those embodying the highest virtues to enter the realms of enlightenment and ascension. Our presence in this moment holds profound significance. The crystalline energy grid of Mother Earth is undergoing a significant upgrade, infused with the radiant essence of golden light. This transformative process extends to our own crystalline DNA, establishing a profound connection to the golden essence within the Akashic Records. Within the Akashic Records lies the intricate tapestry of creation, encompassing the light memories of our past, present, and future lives across all dimensions. Activation of our golden DNA unites us with the highest aspect of our soul, endowing us with the wisdom to address any imbalance. As our golden DNA awakens, we embark on a purification journey, elevating our vibrational frequency to resonate with the sublime harmony of Christ consciousness, a state characterized by complete peace, equilibrium, and unity with the cosmos. Individually, as we embrace the responsibility to heal ourselves and extend that healing to all sentient beings, we catalyze profound transformation. This is the essence of creation, a universal energy field that binds us all. The more of us who open ourselves to the flow of golden light, the more potent the current of divine love becomes. Eventually, all impediments to our highest good will be swept away, paving the way for a world adorned only with peace, love, joy, and bliss. Many of us are currently undergoing a purification process, navigating through what is often referred to as the in-between times. This period offers us the opportunity to cleanse ourselves of dense vibrations such as jealousy, anger, and fear. Each human being is a divine spark, and our true essence is rooted in love and peace. However, embodying these qualities alone is not sufficient to transition to the new earth. Before we can elevate our frequency to align with our highest truth, we must shed layers of negativity and dense vibrations. It's crucial to understand that clinging to these lower vibrations will hinder our transition to the new earth. Even the presence of one soul carrying fear or anger into the higher realm could compromise its purity, potentially reverting it to the old earth. The proliferation of heavy vibrations, especially fear, poses a significant challenge, spreading swiftly among people like a contagion that threatens to taint the collective consciousness. Therefore, it falls upon lightworkers and guardians of the grid to ensure that only pure and unblemished souls are granted access to the new earth. They serve as protectors of the vibrational integrity of this sacred realm, steadfast in their commitment to preserving its purity. We find ourselves amidst a profound period of transition, a time when a new earth is emerging alongside a global awakening. Yet, as old structures crumble, new ones have yet to take shape, leaving many in a state of uncertainty and confusion. Now is the time for those who feel the call to assist in this planetary awakening to step forward and usher in a new age of human evolution. However, before fully embracing life on the new earth, we must navigate a transition from third-dimensional consciousness. We stand on the brink of rebirth, moving into what the Mayans refer to as the time inc, a phase where the old order disintegrates while the new has not fully materialized. This transitional phase is marked by confusion and uncertainty as humanity grapples with pressing global challenges. Worldwide, we witness signs of crumbling old structures, overpopulation, polluted ecosystems, climate change, economic instability, and social inequality. These tumultuous times signify not only a process of death, but also one of birth, a chaotic yet transformative journey into a new era. Despite the chaos, there is a profound interconnectedness emerging. Indigenous and modern cultures are connecting into a global society for the first time in history, intertwining our collective consciousness at a fundamental level. Yet, amidst this unity, conflicts escalate, and the global economy teeters on the edge of collapse. Politics have succumbed to the influence of money, and power is consolidated in the hands of oligarchs who control the flow of wealth and information. However, amidst the challenges, there is a sense of awe and wonder at the magnitude of the moment we are living in, a moment where chaos and embracing the unknown converge with the magic of transformation. Yet, a broader perspective demands our attention. It's crucial to grasp the multifaceted nature of our current reality, because aligning ourselves with it empowers us to co-create our collective destiny. Beneath the surface of these diverse realities lies a deeper energetic shift, driven not only by organic forces, but also by the actions of individuals and communities. This transformative energy is palpable, inviting us to engage with it to shape its course. Amidst the upheaval, myriad exciting developments are unfolding. New paradigms are emerging, expanding both humanity's individual consciousness and our collective awareness. Ideas infused with transformative potential are percolating, poised to revolutionize our future. This marks just the dawn of an era characterized by genuine freedom and abundance. The collapse of the control matrix is evident as truth seekers triumph over falsehoods. Once revered mainstream perspectives now stand exposed as either deliberately deceptive or profoundly misguided. Even those in positions of influence have either compromised their integrity or remain oblivious to the truth. However, there is no cause for despondency. The collapse of the control matrix underscores the resilience of truth seekers who tirelessly challenge the false narratives that have long shaped humanity's collective consciousness. The Internet, in particular, deserves commendation for amplifying the dissemination of information across diverse backgrounds and belief systems. In hindsight, those seeking dominion over humanity would rue their failure to establish their nefarious agenda prior to the advent and proliferation of the World Wide Web. The Internet has become a beacon of hope, enabling the spread of truth and catalyzing the dismantling of oppressive systems. Their influence has been pervasive and successful across numerous fronts. Imagine a world where the majority of journalists fail to report real news, where many doctors lack a comprehensive understanding of health issues and their solutions, where politicians remain ignorant of the intricacies of monetary policy and the agendas of those who control it, where experts and scientists adhere to discredited philosophies akin to dogmatic religions, and where teachers unknowingly perpetuate systems of indoctrination that stifle critical thinking and meaningful learning. The masses, ensnared in ignorance and division, find themselves embroiled in petty conflicts over inconsequential matters, all the while sleepwalking through the dawn of the 21st century. Every institution meant to nurture the well-being of humanity has been infiltrated by deceit, dysfunction, and disharmony. It's understandable to feel disheartened, even ashamed, at the state of our species given our intelligence and ethical capacity. Yet there is reason to maintain faith in the potential for humanity's improvement, particularly in how we structure and govern our societies. Why? Because amidst the chaos, a collective awakening is underway, stirring within the hearts and minds of humanity. Increasing numbers of individuals are awakening to the realization that mainstream news sources often fail to convey deeper truths, prompting a reassessment of personal values and priorities. This awakening offers the opportunity for each individual to form their own informed opinions on spiritual and systemic realities, empowering them to choose what they stand and fight for, and to shape the legacy they leave for future generations. However, exiting the matrix of control poses significant challenges. We must embark on a journey of inner work, cultivating a philosophy that fosters inner peace and resilience, while also exercising patience in the quest to reclaim our freedoms and construct a future that embodies integrity and honor for all of humanity.